High-quality ads like this aren't just for big brands anymore. What if I told you, even a small brand, with just one photo and a single prompt, can look this iconic? No expensive camera, no complex software, just Google Veo 3 and a little creativity. Today, I'm taking on the challenge to prove it. If you want to create stunning ads for your own products or new ideas on a budget, this video is for you. I'll show you step-by-step how to create your own ads with AI in minutes. I'll share all the prompts I use so you can follow along easily. And at the end, I'll showcase some real examples to inspire your creativity. All right, before we jump in, let me quickly walk you through the whole process so you can see just how simple it is to make an ad for your brand. First, clean up your photo so it looks more professional. Then, build a unique idea and prompt. And finally, use Veo 3 to turn that image into a cinematic ad. That's it. Let's get into the first part. Now, if you already have a great-looking product photo, you can skip straight to part 2. But if your photo looks, well, kind of like mine here, then we've got some work to do. A messy background can seriously mess with Veo 3's results. But don't worry, even if you've never touched Photoshop, our old friend Veer can replace your background in one click. And it's like having a Photoshop Pro on speed dial, but free. So head to the top navigation bar, find Image Tools, and click AI Background Changer. You're in. Here, you'll see 20 different background styles to choose from. It's super easy, just upload your product photo, pick a style. I'm going with Studio for this one. Every background style comes with a preset prompt, but if you have something specific in mind, you can add or tweak it right here. I'm keeping it as is. Then choose your aspect ratio. Veo 3 only generates horizontal videos, so I recommend 16:9. Oh, and if your original photo is vertical, Veer can actually extend it into a horizontal frame. Once that's set, hit generate. Wait a couple minutes and you've got yourself a clean, professional studio shot. Here's the before and after. Look at that difference. Feels like it belongs in a magazine. I also tried some different styles just to see the vibe. But keep in mind, sometimes this tool might distort the text on your product. If that happens, just generate a few more times or switch to context editor. Type something like, "The product remains the same, but the background is changed too." Select the free, unlimited quality model, click Generate, and that'll keep the product details as close to the original as possible. Okay, once you've got a clean, high-quality product photo, it's time to make your video ad. All you need is any platform that connects to Veo 3. Now, here's something I found recently. If you subscribe to Google One, you can actually use Veo 3 with Gemini for free, about 3 to 5 videos a day. And the first month of Google One is free, which is great if you're just testing things out. But today, I'm making a lot of videos, so I'm going with Flow instead. So, click Add New Project, choose Frames to Video, then hit the little plus sign in the bottom left, click Upload, and select your product photo. That way, Veo 3 will generate a video based on your image and the prompt you give it. Next, choose the Veo 3 Fast Mode. It costs only 20 credits per video, and you even get sound built in. Now, we need a prompt. I'm just going to copy one of my JSON prompts from my Google Doc and paste it in. Then, click Generate. While it's working, let me quickly explain what a JSON prompt is and why I use it. JSON prompt is basically a structured format, kind of like giving the AI a super detailed recipe. It tells it exactly what's going to happen in the video, what style to use, how the camera should move, what the lighting should do, and what elements should appear. If your prompts are already clear enough, you don't have to use JSON, but I like it because it gives me total control over every detail, which is really important for custom ads. All right, let's check the result. Wow, that looks amazing. What do you think? So, how to write prompts that get results like this? Easy. Just grab my Google Doc. You'll see I've got 4 creative ad styles in there. Each one works well with different types of products. Just pick the one that fits your product's vibe. The link's in the description. For example, I want to make an ad for my guitar. I'll pick the second style, the industrial look. Copy the original prompt, paste it into ChatGPT 5. Tell it, I want this ad style, but for a guitar. Give it your brand name and any creative ideas, and ChatGPT will rewrite the prompt for you. Then just drop it in a flow, and boom, you've got your ad. I honestly didn't expect my guitar to look this cool. And actually, even the same product can be shown in totally different styles. For example, the same body lotion, starting from the fluid color prompt and tweaking it just a little, gives you this liquid, flowing ad. If your product comes in lots of colors, I'd go with the first style. It can switch colors in seconds, like this luggage ad I made. If any of these look like they'd fit your product, go ahead and try them. But hey, you don't have to stick to just 4. As long as you've got an idea, even if you can't code, ChatGPT can write a JSON prompt for you. Sometimes it won't be perfect the first time, honestly. Almost every ad I'm showing today took multiple tries. And that's okay. Seriously, that's part of the fun. Even an unknown product deserves a cinematic ad. So next time you've got a product, big name or not, give it the story it deserves. Keep experimenting, keep refining, and your shots will only get better. If this video helped, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite tip, and subscribe for more ways to make your ideas shine on screen.